Today we're going to learn how to pronounce numbers. Are you ready? Okay, let's learn. We'll start with the number 1. This number 1, 1, 1. Make a circle. 1, 1. The next number is number 2. Ta, ta, ooh, 2, 2. This number is a number 3, 3. TH makes sound. Put your tongue between your teeth. I say 3, 3, 3. Okay. Double E makes sound E. 3, 3. This number, it's a number 3. Good job. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3. Next number, it's a number 4, 4. Letter F makes sound 4, 4. 4. Repeat with me. 4, 4. Okay, this number is number 5, 5. Letter V may sound V, V. 5, 5. This number is number 6, 6. Letter S may sound S, S. Repeat with me. 6, 6. Okay, let's go to another number. It's number 7, 7, 7, 7. This number is number 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay, GH we didn't pronounce it. Okay, it's a silent letter. We didn't pronounce it. 8, 8. Next number is number 9, 9, 9. Put your tongue in the alveolar ridge. 9. Letter N may sound like 9, 9. Okay, repeat after me. 9, 9. 9. Let's go to another number. It's a number 10. N. 10. 10. Go up. 10. 10. We didn't say 10. 10. It's wrong. 10. 10. Okay, let's repeat after me. 1. 1. 2. 2. Good job. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10, 10, 10, 10. Are you ready to continue the numbers? Okay, let's complete. This number is very easy. It's 11, 11, 11. The next number, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Repeat after me. 11, 11, 12. 12. This number is very easy. We will make a stress in the second syllable. We will say 13, 13, 13. Okay, you got it? 13, 13, 13. The next 14, 14, 14. Okay, 15, 15. 15, 16, 16, 16. The next number, 17, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19. Okay, 20, 20, 20. Let's pronounce them again. Okay, from the beginning, 11, 11, 11, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20.